Imagine a scenario where the power goes out unexpectedly, not just for a few moments, but long enough to disrupt your daily activities. No lights, no device charging, no internet, just an eerie silence where everything used to function. This might seem unlikely, yet even brief outages highlight our reliance on electricity. The pertinent question arises: if such occurrences became frequent, would you be adequately prepared? Many individuals don't contemplate electricity until it's unavailable. On a daily basis, we take its presence for granted, charging devices, powering homes, ensuring everything operates seamlessly. However, the moment the power fails, even for a short duration, it leads to significant frustration. Devices become inoperable, routines get interrupted, and even basic tasks become challenging. Escalating electricity prices further complicate matters, leaving people questioning their actual control over the situation. Internally, there's a growing awareness: most households lack a contingency plan. This gives rise to deeper worries. It's not merely about inconvenience, it's about facing the unknown. The discomfort of being unprepared looms large. Many feel responsible for maintaining their homes, staying connected, and minimizing undue stress. Yet, without proper information, most individuals feel helpless, unsure of alternative actions they could consider. When these disturbances recur, unexpected blackouts, rising costs, or sudden interruptions, frustration builds steadily. This arises not from the enormity of the issue, but from the absence of effective solutions. Many think that accessing alternative energy solutions necessitates costly systems or complicated installations. Thus, they postpone taking action, perceiving it as too complex or unattainable. However, the longer this dynamic persists, the more reliant they become on unmanageable circumstances. But what if you could change this narrative? What if, rather than feeling reliant, you began to grasp how energy functions, on a practical scale? The aim isn't to replace everything but to foster awareness and control. Sometimes, even a minor shift towards self-sufficiency can transform your response to daily challenges. Enter the energy revolution system. It's not an intricate device or a pricey setup. Instead, it's a clear, concise DIY guide that illustrates how to develop a small-scale energy solution using basic materials. Tailored for everyday users, it emphasizes understanding energy generation while providing a practical backup for essential functions. Whether it's maintaining a phone charge or illuminating a room during an outage, it serves as a straightforward introduction for those interested in exploring accessible energy alternatives. Once you grasp how to produce even a modicum of your own electricity, a shift occurs. You feel less dependent, more knowledgeable, and better equipped to face previously uncertain situations. The aim is not a total replacement but fostering confidence in your capacity to manage minor disruptions with ease. This level of control, even in its simplest form, can provide genuine peace of mind. Ultimately, the focus should be on preparing for potential challenges. It's about cultivating readiness for whatever comes your way. With an understanding of operational mechanisms and a simple backup strategy, you won't find yourself caught off guard. Instead, you'll be genuinely prepared. If you have ever felt uncertain about managing power outages or escalating electricity expenses, consider this straightforward approach. It encourages you to take incremental steps toward energy independence. Click the link in the description to learn more about how this system operates and how it can empower you to tackle everyday energy challenges with greater assurance.